Welcome. In this tutorial, we will see how to join a course, study a course, and track your progress using Wooflash. To join a course, click on the Join Course button on the home page. A new window will appear asking you for the course access code. This access code will be given to you by your professor. In this case, the code is Chimie. Once you have joined the course, you will be able to study by clicking the Study button on the upper right corner of your screen. You are now prompted to start a new study sessions in order to see the questions from the course. The first question we see is a Find on Image question, on which you have to indicate a zone on an image. Here I indicate the zone and then I submit my answer. The question will turn, revealing the correct zone. I can then go to the next question, which is a multiple choice question. Here I can answer, and again the question will turn to reveal the correct answer. Let's say I make a mistake, like I will do here. The question will turn, reveal that my answer is wrong, show me the correct answer, and the question will repeat at the end of the session. Let's now skip a couple of questions in order to see the repeated question. As you can see, the question is repeated, and I can now answer correctly. If I go to the next slide, you can see my session is finished. I can see a summary of the number of questions I've seen, the correct answers, the wrong answers, and so on. I can choose to continue my session by clicking the Continue button or go back to the course. To track my progress, I can go to My Progress tab. This tab will show me the questions with the highest success rate, lowest success rate, a history of my study sessions, my progress across multiple studies questions, and the mastery of the questions over time. Also, the evolution of the number of correct and wrong answers over time. This concludes this tutorial, and I hope to see you soon on Wooflash.